What I'm going to do now is add a jet fighter plane to my scene. So when we add objects to Unity, it's best to add them to a empty game object. That way they will inherit the game object components. So what I'm going to do is click on Game Object, go down to Create Empty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give this a name. So I'm going to change the name to Jet Object. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and open up 3D Max, and you see I have a jet here. Now Unity likes files in FBX format, so what I need to do in 3D Max is export my jet to a FBX format. So I'm going to stick it on the desktop for now, and I'm just going to name it Jet FBX and click Save. And I'm just going to accept the defaults here for now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Unity, go to my assets, and then go to Import New Asset. And then I'm going to go over here to the desktop and grab my FBX file and click Import. Now since my jet object is here, you can see it's actually placed in my scene. It's actually empty, so there's nothing there. So to add my jet, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click and I'm going to drag, and I'm going to add it right underneath that FBX jet object. And you'll see now it inherits the place of the object, of the parent object. So the FBX file is the child to the parent object. So I can go in and I can select the parent object, click rotate, and I can rotate it around in my scene. I can also move it. That was resize, sorry. Control Z. Don't want to resize that. Well, actually I can go here to my transform, see where it says scale here. I can go back and add that to 1 by 1 by 1. And that will fix that. So yeah, go here and click on move. And kind of move it out of the way over here and move it down. Now notice it's fairly small. So what I can do is, since this is a parent-child relationship, I can go to my scale and I can bump up the size and put it to 3 by 3 by 3 here. And then it will change size also on my rotation. I don't know where my actual plane went to. I can actually go here and hit my F key. Oh, it moved it way back. So I can just scroll out here and orbit around. Oh, it's okay, I just placed it there. And again, I can choose my FBX, choose my move, and drag it over here like this. Then if I wanted to play my scene, I could go here and click on play. Go down to the bottom, and I can walk around in my environment. And there's my plane. Now I can adjust it. Now one thing to note is it did not incorporate any colors or any meshes, and in a future video I'll show you how to handle that.